Continuing coverage now of recovery efforts after Hurricane Delta. Authorities in Louisiana are now reporting 2 deaths associated with the storm. A 70-year-old woman in Iberia Parish died in a fire caused by a natural gas leak due to the storm, and an 86-year-old man in St. Martin Parish died in a fire that started as he refueled a power generator inside a shed. Tens of thousands of people are still without power across South Louisiana as hundreds of power crews work to restore it again. One of the hardest hit areas this time is around Arcadia Parish and the city of Rain. As Michael Spies from our sister station KLFY reports, most of that town will be without electricity for the rest of the week.
Right now we're just trying to cool off and air condition in the vehicle. That's it, trying to cool off a little bit and take a few pictures.
In Acadia Parish, people are doing what they can at this point without power, they say.
Gotta do what we gotta do to survive.
The wind knocked down several power lines, cutting the lights and limiting what they can get done.
The wind was just whipping everything, around the neighborhood, and as you can see, the trees are down, roofs are blowing off, and it was rough.
Here in the city of Rain, most people are left without power. Acadia Parish as a whole, as of this morning, 98% of people were without power. It's because of downed power lines just like this. Governor John Bell Edwards saying it could take up to 10 days for some areas to have their power restored. Entergy says power should be restored for their customers in Acadia Parish by next Saturday or Sunday.
But I have confidence in my city of Rain. We're going to string it back up.
The widespread damage is scattered through the south. For the Rain community, it's mostly trees and houses and downed power lines. Now crews are out working as quickly as possible to restore power and communication.
They're working immaculate because with all the power we saw down yesterday, they've cleaned up a lot. And we'll come back. Slow but sure, we'll be back. We'll be back.